welcome back to D. Levine. If you're new, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. Also, for those of you that are subscribed, make sure you hit that bell, turn on my post notifications so that you can be notified every single time I put out a video. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys are excited for this video. As you can see by the title, I am doing a Chanel unboxing. This is my I think this is my first Chanel unboxing on this channel, so I'm super excited. And it's I've opened it already because this was actually a surprise from my husband, Jerry. He actually recorded a video on our couple channel, Mr. and Mrs. Levine. If you haven't checked that channel out, go ahead and subscribe. I'll also link that surprise video down below for you guys to check out after this one. But he surprised me with a Chanel bag for Valentine's Day and other things, which I plan to do a what I got for Valentine's Day video probably right after this one, and share all those things with you guys. But I wanted to do a dedicated unboxing of this baby right here. So let's get started. I won't talk too much. So this is the box that it came in. And it's crazy because I'm used to the Chanel magnetic boxes with the magnetic flap, but this is just a regular box. And when you open it up, I just got my nails done. Okay. So here's the ribbon and the flower that it came with that I so graciously unwrapped. This is the dust bag. So as you guys can tell, it is definitely a small bag. So I do this all the time. Let's pause the video. Tell me what you think is inside. Is it a walk? Is it a mini? Is it what is it? An accessory? SLG? Let me know down below. Time for the unboxing. So this is definitely the smallest Chanel bag that I have. And I will show you guys the straps first. And that'll probably give it away for all the Chanel lovers out there. It has tri-colored straps. So there's gold, ruthenium right here, and silver. And you guys! This is so the formal name for this bag is the Gabrielle phone holder. That's what they call it. My essay was like, it's basically like a mini bag or a wallet on chain. I don't know. It's different than a walk and it's different from a mini, but it is equivalent to what the other two bags could probably hold. I don't call it a phone holder. I consider it a little mini handbag. And I'll go ahead and do at the end of this video what fits inside so you guys can kind of see what all fits inside this bag. So yeah, this is the bag. And just a little backstory, you guys. I have been debating for a while about getting a Chanel walk or a Chanel mini. I ended up going to the store several times and I really for some reason wanted a walk. But every time I would try on a walk, it just would be way too long. And there's ways where you can adjust the strap a little bit to make it fit you. I think maybe I'm just too short for a walk. I'm 4'9", you guys, so yeah, I'm very short. I just don't like where the walk stops on me. It stops mid-thigh, and so it hangs really low. The plan is to still eventually get a mini in my collection. I'm not sure yet if I want the square mini or rectangular mini. I'm kind of leaning more towards the rectangular just because I feel I don't know, I like the look of the rectangular mini better than the square for some reason. I think just personal preference. They're both really cute bags. But if I had to pick one, it would probably be the rectangular. Who knows? I mean, they're both cute. I would love to have both in my collection, but I want to fall in love with it when I finally do get the opportunity to go ahead and pull the trigger on one. I don't think I want one that's black. I kind of want a pop of color for the mini because I feel like I have a lot of black in my collection, or I have just other black bags that I could wear in general. I kind of want a pop of color, and I feel like a lot of people have the black Chanel mini, which is understandable because it goes with a lot. But some bags, I don't know. I have a lot of bags that are really popular, but I do have a love for bags that are not as popular, not a lot of people have. You know, I kind of like that mixture. Like, I don't want my handbags to be just something everybody has all the time. So like, that's probably my reasoning on why I want like a pop of color. But anyway, this particular bag, this Gabrielle bag, I've never seen in person, but my SA has always sent me pictures. And every time, like, she sent it twice, and I was like, oh my gosh. Like, the first time I missed it, I like took too long to respond to her, and she said that it ended up being sold, and I was like, oh my god. From that day on, I've been wanting this bag because it fits me so well. I feel like if it's the perfect length for me, it satisfies my craving for a walk. Like, now I'm okay without having a walk in my collection. Like, it didn't look good on me. It looks great on so many other people, but it just doesn't work for me. But I've been eyeing this one ever since. So when my husband surprised me, you guys, with this bag, oh my gosh, I cried. Even like after the video, I cried, and I feel really stupid saying that because, you know, crying over a handbag, but I've really been eyeing this bag. I just love that it's so understated, and not a lot of people have the Gabrielle in this size. The Gabrielle is definitely a very popular bag, and especially in the small and medium size. I haven't even seen this on the pre-loved market anywhere. I don't know, I just love it so much. So I'm rambling. Let's go ahead. I'll show you some mod shots, and then I will show you guys what's inside. I love that the straps are tricolored. I love the way that the Gabrielle is worn in that V-type style. I love the leather. It's in like this crumpled leather. I don't know if it's crumpled calf skin. It's either crumpled calf skin or deer skin. I think it's calf. I think it's like the crumpled calf skin. And then the hard leather at the bottom, and I love the color. It's the perfect beige and black, and the only part where it says like Chanel on the exterior is right here on the tab. So as you can see, the top is the crumpled calf skin, and this is the hard leather on the bottom. I like the detail right here on the bottom as well. It has this middle compartment, which I'll take out this paper, where you put your phone inside, which I will show you what I pack in a second. And then there's a zipper right here where there's space, and also space where you can put 3 different cards inside. And on the other side, there's another zipper compartment where you can put another 3 cards on the inside, as well as, you know, cash, other cards, lip gloss, whatever you need. So I feel like it's so much room in such a small bag. You can fit a lot inside. I love the fact that it has 2 zippers, all these different little compartments that you can place things instead of just throwing everything all in there and it being like all mixed together. So I feel like this bag is really great for like just compartmentalizing everything. And now let's show you what all fits inside. As you can see, my iPhone fits right in the middle very, very comfortably. So you could put a case on your phone if you want and it'll still fit. Then I just grabbed a bunch of random cards and I'm just putting them inside just like that. You can put them in the 3 slots on each side, so you could fit 6 in slots. And if you carry more than 6 cards, you could totally drop them in one of the zipper compartments and it'll still fit comfortably. Next, I have my cash. Just grab some cash. I'm gonna slide that in just like that. And that one closes nice and comfortably as well. Now for the other side, I'm gonna put all the other random cards that I just grabbed and I'm gonna put them in their slots. Just like that. And see the rest, I'm just gonna just stick in there. And I have a hair tie, because usually when I'm out, my hair is down. And I have my little lipstick that I'm currently wearing by YSL. gonna put that right in there, and now I'm gonna zip it up. Now with the lipstick, as you can see, there's a little bulge. It still closes very, very comfortably, so you could put a lipstick in there, but if you don't like that bulge or like a slight bulge in your bags, then obviously you just wouldn't put a lipstick in there. Me personally, I don't really mind it. I think it looks fine, especially on, you don't really notice. Now I tried to put in, I thought my 6-key ring holder was gonna possibly fit, but after seeing my lipstick, that's not gonna work out. So I removed my 2 main keys and my key fob, and there you go. It all fits in my bag. I love it. I feel like this is the perfect date night bag. It could fit literally just enough, just your essentials, your keys, your phone, a lipstick, your cards, cash. I love the color, love the neutral color, love that I got it in the beige and black. It could totally match any date night outfit, and again, I just think this Gabrielle bag is so adorable. Now I'm gonna take everything out so you guys can see what all fits inside, just all together on this table. And there you go, guys. That is everything that fits inside this Gabrielle bag. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love y'all so much. Please don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye!